I went fishing at an extremely small pond. The day before I had caught a very nice largemouth on a weightless plastic, so I was very excited to try my luck there again. I had no problem catching lots of small bluegill on the fly rod. The same was true for small bass as well. I also caught my first green sunfish at this spot. I had a harder time using bass lures, however, as I was getting many bites, but the fish were very small and hard to hook. I was able to land this one and a few others, though. At the end of the day, I got a good bite on my catfish rod. I felt the fish as I set the hook, but unfortunately, it popped off. Overall, it was a very fun day of fishing.